Hello everybody, and welcome to Sons of the Forest. Now, I've already played quite a bit of the game, and I've already started getting into it. I have no idea what the end is like, or what even mid-game might look like. I've got to a point where I've gotten the shotgun and the shovel. Sorry, this wouldn't make a whole lot of sense for people that are not really familiar with the game, or know what's in it. But if this is, if you... Ugh, fuck me. If this is your introduction to the game and it starts off with me, I'm sorry. You'll probably get a bit more familiar with the game with somebody else first, because it's not exactly entirely a surprise to me. I mean, later on in the game and later on in the later videos, I will be more surprised as I will unlock new content. But as of right now, I've got to, I think, might be mid-game? I'm not sure. But nonetheless, I already have a game save. Super long days, so new game. We'll start one custom. Enemies, enemy health normal, enemy damage normal, enemy armor normal, aggression normal, enemy mounts normal. Turn that up high. Let's see. Alright. So the introduction, pretty standard. I'd say they probably could have done a bit better, considering we went for like I think it's like 6, 8, 9 weight, something like that. I don't know how the original Forest is. I played that game, I love it. It's pretty damn good. I'll be real, I don't really know much about the story of this game. Oh, whoa, hold up a minute. Oh, I forgot to go around shit. Here we go. So, general gist is that we're kind of like looking for people. Edward Puffin, he's one of them. Barbara Puffin. And Virginia Puffin. Dumbest tattoo known to man right here. Fight demons. Kind of cliche, you know, I've never seen it before in my life. Okay. Here we go. Damn. That's a wrap. I wish I could have done something for you. My character's too fucking dumb. And GG's. There we go. Alright, okay, guys, that's the end of the game. Pretty cool game in my opinion. Game over. I die. Everyone else dies. Paid like $30 for the game. That's how it goes. I'm gonna turn this volume down. I wish I could actually access the pause menu here. Turn this shit down, but no, I kinda can't. It's kind of how it goes. Average Call of Duty cutscene? My fuck. There's a floating gun. Oh, there we go. Game loaded in. I'll be real, I have no idea who the hell that is. I was actually kind of surprised for a minute. I thought the game was glitching, and it was, but not the way I thought it was. Floating packages, alright. My hand just went in the dirt. Alright, yo, we in here. Damn, it took a fat minute for that to load. Oh my god, it's taking a minute. Okay. Okay, I got you. There we go, this is our stuff. We got one GPS tracker, one lighter, one utility knife, one tactical axe, and a guidebook. This is what our fundamentals are going to be and base foundations for making everything. And there is our friend on the floor. He is not okay. He's actually dying. Just kidding, we could save him. I wonder how far you can get in the game without saving him. Maybe later. And as you can see, he is blind, autistic, and deaf. And then suddenly the magic pen, or smelling salts, I don't know what it's supposed to be, gets into normal. And now he is at least semi-functional now. And no, I'm not ignoring the bodies in the background. I can see them. I went over there. They serve zero purpose other than immersion and ambiance. So, I'm gonna go around and collect some stuff. Pretty standard forest stuff. Pretty average. I say if you get in a plane crash and you get into an island, you just start looting for grenades and ammo. First thing you do. Because why wouldn't you? Flares, that's gonna be that's wonderful. Well, you see, is my sensitivity, that's max, oh my god, that's max sensitivity. There you go, low sensitivity, that's what I wanted. I think it was already on that. I'm gonna skip past this for you guys, but still. There we go, alright. Now stuff's a bit more to my liking. Actually, scratch that. I've got to change this up. Thought I just smashed the seagull. Oh god, I got the seagull. Let's go. Our first definitely not infected meat. Our very sanitary meat we just collected. Hold up, a splitty. Also hotkey. So, oh yes, there's a RGB lighting. You guys can pick a color that you guys want for my backpack if you want. I'll stick to it. First comment. I'll stick to it. I'm definitely not just thirsting for a comment. But anyway, this man, he's very pinnacle of Chad. He will do anything you want him to do. It's kind of hard to. It might be easier for you to see, maybe not. Just take item, clear, 5 meters, 20 meters, 10 meters, etc. Take a break, stay here, hidden, or at base, but I don't have a base yet. Maintain base, no base. Build fire, shelter. Get sticks, logs, rocks, sticks, logs, rocks, sticks, logs. You get it. And then put them here, or give them to me. Follow me. And there you go. I just have him follow me right now. Our boy Kevin. He's a bit of a lost cause, but he'll do us some good. He'll do us some good. He's gonna be our blind and obedient worker. And he will do anything but fight. He is a military personnel that is a pacifist somehow. Explain to me how the fuck this guy does not want to kill anything. Like, you guys will see that later on when there's actually enemies around. This guy is the biggest bitch known to man. He does not do shit. Break it. There we go. Alright. Our first cave. I know it's kind of odd going into a cave after I just kind of got here, but this is the first major progression in the game. So in here, find a skull, of course, because why not? Some flares. 5.9 millimeter. Okay. Air tank. And of course, look at the computer. Entertainment bunker. These bunkers will provide you with gear, new items, and some quest stuff. I just can't see that at all. Within a couple days, within 8 days, there will be the update 1.0 coming out, and I'm assuming with updates, worlds probably get wiped. I guess kind of think of it as a Rust server if you're a Rust guy, or an Arc player, or like an Arc server if you're an Arc guy. Once again, light work is 0 reaction. Ooh, very spooky. I wish I could take it. Collected meat. It's probably not human flesh. Keyword probably. Maybe I'll add a jump scare. Watching this late at night, I'm just gonna add a random jump scare in the video to fuck with you guys. Nah, I won't do that. It's way too much effort. Maybe I won't need to add a jump scare at all. Ooh, hold up. That's some good thumbnail material. Ooh. Thank God I'm just overpowered. I can just beat every man. I only hit him once. Oh shit. He doesn't seem very like responsive to what I'm doing, and that's kind of making me feel a different kind of way. Oh fuck, holy shit, I am almost dead. Okay. Well, that happened. I am not trying to die right off the spawn. I'm just gonna let my health regen, please. There we go. I'll eat some raw meat too, just to top it off with the bad decisions I've made so far. Oh, I don't like you. You're kind of freaking me out, buddy. Ugh. Hey. Fuck off. Oh! Oh shit. Holy, you're tanky as hell. I make the same noise as you do. You're gonna like freak out? What the fuck? Oh my god. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna come back to a different clip maybe. Or maybe I'll keep going in this world. What the hell? Where the fuck am I? Come cave. Hold on. You mean ew. I was in a cocoon. Facing that way. You know what? I'm not prepared enough. I'm just gonna take what I got and leave with what I got. It is what it is. I am going the wrong way. Pretty sure. Am I? No, I'm going the right way. I don't know why I'm tired. It's only like, what is it? I think almost 8? No, it's not even close. It's 6 o'clock on my end. Why the hell am I so tired? There we go. Calvin! Oh yeah, his name's... Is it Calvin? Kelvin? I gotta look at his name. He has a little name tag on him. I didn't realize that in my first kind of starting playthrough. Kelvin. You know what, maybe that can be good thumbnail material as well. Yeah, we'll figure it out later. It ain't important. My objectives. Find the Puffton family. Find Team B. 3 people. I'm assuming those 3 conveniently purple dots are the... I'm not saying I assume, I know they are. I'm kind of giving you guys some... fuck, I don't know. You guys choose a word. Dealer's choice. But, I can look at stuff. I see meat. I see meat. Oh, I don't like that at all. I am sorry. I don't like that they still move like that after they're dead. So the little green thing over there, that's some, like, once again, why am I saying I'm assuming? I know it's the bunker. It's the bunker over there. And these purple things are the team that I'm supposed to be going to find. The closest one, of course, is the one that you can't get whatsoever yet until you go to a cave and then collect a shovel. That is also, if you don't know, I'm not gonna spoil anything. If you guys don't know, you'll find out later episodes if you continue watching me, or anybody else for that matter that has the slightest bit of clue of what's going on. Huh. That's a bit strange. I could pick it up. Oh. They don't really care. Okay, whatever. That would be cool if they coded in a little thing where like they'll like jump on your face or bite you or something. Ooh, fuck you. That scared me more than the monsters. Huh. Neat. I actually haven't seen this. Oh. Well. Eh. Oh, it's okay. It's a cult. Yeah, I probably should have figured that they're all kind of looking like a suicide pact or something. That again, no, I don't know what suicide would make you this bloody in a forest. So I take it they probably didn't die willingly. Can I say suicide on YouTube? I might have to bleep that. I'll do a little bit of research before I make this video go up. Because I'm not trying to get a strike. I've already got a warning because I didn't say that my first Battle Song video was a trainer. Second time, like first time I did it with the realistic looking knife and I started that knife, they were completely fine. But as soon as more than one were being involved, nope. No bueno. No bueno. YouTube says no. So I'm kind of under YouTube's tight grasped fist. Hey Bambi, wish I had a rifle. I'm actually at a point in the game where I don't know if where the rifle is. So I can give you a bit of perspective on where I might be in my other game. Maybe I'll show off that world. It really isn't a lot to look at. I have made a little log cabin with Kelvin. I don't want to get my Calvin and Kelvins mixed up. That'd be terrible for everybody, including me. Because he might just get pissed one day and just like retaliate with no warning. Alright, you know what? Do I go progression or do I do dumb shit and make a house first? Oh no, I 100% need to progress first. I want a better axe. Chopping trees with this limp dick thing sucks so bad. It is better than the forest starter axe. I will give it that. It's from the first game. I am probably gonna jump ahead in footage so you guys don't have to watch me running this whole time, because it does get repetitive and kind of boring, especially since I don't have anybody else to talk to. Shot, baby. Can't get him. No, I 100% could have tried at least, but I just don't know why I didn't. Oh, hey, buddy! What the fuck are you doing there? Holy shit, you scared me. What the hell? Yes, Calvin, thanks for letting me know now. I'm very aware that they're there. Okay, they're climbing trees. Calvin, what do we do? Don't just stand there with your dick in your hand. Fucking do something. Okay, you know what? You could fight them. I think he's trying. No, he's definitely not trying. He's just gonna sit there and stare at them. Okay. I'm not trying to fight because I don't want to die. Quite honest, I have not saved my game, and dying would just be catastrophic. could save my game right now. I had to. You have to build like a shelter to survive and save. Oh, thanks, dickhead, for leading me here. Fucking Captain Autism. Once again, don't even know if I can say that. Okay. Not sure how many edgy jokes YouTube's gonna let me, like, slide. The animals really are abundant. I know I did say that I wanted quite a bit of animals, but this is not at all, like, realistic at all, man. Like, I can't just walk outside and see fucking 12 deer frolicking in a field with flying with rabbits and squirrels and giant naked men crawling on all fours, hopping on rocks like the goddamn goblin from oh god, I'm sounding like such an illiterate retard. Huh. Oh shit, I just saw something frolic over there that just seemed awful muddy. Is there a moderately naked muddy man over here? There is! Don't beat up Calvin, you dick! You didn't do shit, you can't do shit either. Ooh. Pouch. Kevin. Kevin. Yeah, he's Kevin now. Okay, he's running off. He's gonna go cry. Well, I got a skin pouch. Ooey. Is that a fucking ear? That's probably an ear. That's an ear. Okay. Blueberries, cash, meds, duct tape. Okay. Ain't the worst. I'll take it. But again, I'm not really in a position where I could be asking for certain items at this point. Considering I am... Oh, it's just Kelvin. I thought it was another naked man. God, I just hate it when naked muddy men run up and beat my friend. It's just such a relatable issue I have. You run like you have a stick shoved up your ass. Oh, that's probably why you probably shoved the stick up your ass. Okay. This thing has the range of... Never mind. Let's go. Kelvin, I can't defeat 3 dudes at a time. I might just be able to just slide past 2, but 3 is just one too many. Oh, I don't know why it wasn't giving me more custom options. I should have taken a look at it a bit more. Well, Kelvin, on the bright side, I'm pretty sure if I get in here, they can't touch you, because I'm pretty sure those frames have been loaded. And for some reason, your dumbass doesn't follow me into places. So it's really not my fault. But I'm not gonna keep you, Kelvin. You could follow me, or you can be brutally beaten by 3, once again, mighty naked men. Pretty sure I can't really do a lot in here. I think I might get something of importance. Don't worry, there's no enemies in here yet until I go get a key card. Once again, sorry for spoiling it. I miss the Debbie Downer. Okay. Actually, I didn't take a look at this before. Tim Laban... Oh god, I'm not gonna even try to read it. I'm gonna butcher the name and sound stupid. Ooh, that's a solar panel. Sweet. Can't take the Windex though. Why not? Oh, I can finally save. Saving. Yes. Worked. Yep, YouTube worked. I hope it works. I hope it lets me post this. Whatever, it's gonna be heavily edited anyways, so it's not gonna be just the uncensored version of me saying a bunch of stupid shit that could very easily get this taken down. So, the hell's the point of me coming in here again? Okay, there's some stuff down here, but I can't really access anything important in here yet, because once again, I don't have a key card. Trying to watch. Wire. For some reason, my dumbass does not take the drill. That will forever be a mystery why I don't take power tools and equipment. Yep. I can't access the super cool night room in there. Must not popular enough, I guess. I wasn't invited. Oh, and you got the forever stuck and stupid Roomba that's on 1% battery. Can I kill you? No, but I can smack you. Oh, that's a fatalist in death, buddy. Where the hell? Okay. Flipping him upside down will be a worse fate than death. I'm gonna let him live out his seemingly infinite life. Simply because if he's on 1% battery, I don't know how the hell he'd be alive. And also, I don't know why the only entrance would be in a cave with a very claustrophobic entrance, but I'm not judging. Hey Calvin, are you done with your beating? That's good, that's good. Me too. That way. This way it will give me a good axe, and I can start my construction, because I'm not starting shit until I got an adequate axe. I don't care who you are, you can't make me. Don't quote me on that. This seems awfully dry for a little ravine. Whatever, I don't judge. That's a pretty cool effect, even though it's very blatantly disappearing. Oh. Hey, you just spawned in. That's not fair. Got some fish though. Can I get one? Oh nope, I think they're all in like a... Yeah, there is kind of in an animation loop. I mean, kind of cool detail, but I can't kill them, so they're not really much purpose other than decoration. Okay, getting up on this spot. Very tired. I don't know why. Whoa. This seems like kind of a cool building location. I wish it kind of opened up though. Like, look at this. If it opened up into a lake, and you can see the mountain, it's just a big split through the valley, it would be fucking awesome. If I could just like make a bridge through this, have this be like an opened up lake. I mean, it almost creates that effect, but just not quite enough. I want my house to be in a very cool looking spot. I want it to be very aesthetic. Okay. Not being very good at collecting resources on my way there. Like, I kind of forget, though, like, in the Forest 1, you can't collect way too much material at a time. I mean, you can't really hear either, but I think you can collect, like, 20 sticks, which is crazy, because in the Forest 1, you can only collect, like, 5 at a time, or something like that, without making, like, a stick bag. Map. It's kind of funny how this GPS doesn't run out of battery. I mean, it's some movie magic or something. No way. Come to think of it. No, going to him gives me the axe. I could completely forget about that cave right now, because that's definitely not an episode 1 thing to do. Who knows? Maybe that'll be in episode 3. I'll give it a 3. Alright, I've gone way too long without sponsoring my other content shamelessly. So far, I've only created battle song videos on this channel. Which, I mean, yeah, that's kind of what I've been doing. That's all I've been doing, even though I said that very blatantly, very clearly in my first video, that's not the main thing I'll be doing. And yeah, you guys do have no idea why I just did that, do you? I am not very good at expedition or shit like that. Oh, there's a dead body. You're welcome. Ooh, flashlight. Did I not find this in my first playthrough? The flashlight? You gotta be shitting me, right? Oh. That's not realistic. I'd be shitting myself. Oh my god, you are fucking horrifying. Whatever. Let's bunk next to the dead guy. Where's my tarp at? There we go. I call the dead guy. Make things very comfortable. Very cozy. Shit. That's not... Whatever. Aesthetic. It's aesthetic. Speaking of aesthetic... They're... not necessary in the slightest. Oh wait, maybe... Calvin. There, that's good screen. That's good thumbnail material. Oh, hell no. Do not save over that. Huh. That would suck. And I would cry. And stop playing the game. No, not that bad. Oh, you're completely ragdoll. I did not expect that from you. I'm gonna be quite honest. I thought you were just kind of a static, like, model. What the fuck are you doing? Don't crouch. You look weird. Okay, I gotta throw rocks at my man. I have no food or water. You know what? Raw meat's never done me wrong in the past. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. We could do it. It's a bunch of spoiled raw meat. Oh, there's a perfectly good fucking meal pack right here. You know what? That's slightly better than starving. I'm just gonna drink an energy drink as well. The fucking breakfast of champions. 2 big loin meats and some other shit. I think there's a camp down here. I know there's a camp somewhere around here that should have the axe. Speaking of thy devil. Holy crap, that brought me way too close to death for my comfort. I mean, I just saved, so it would be that big of a deal. But still very uncomfortable. I do not wish to die this early on, at least. Stuff. Free stuff. My stuff. Boombox. I'll take it. What? That's cool. I like that. Paper target. Ooh, cooking pot. Why don't I take the hot plate thing too? Hatchet. Thank God we got the hatchet. I just saw a weight energy drink, but it doesn't differentiate for some reason. Grenade and ammo. Yet to find a gun though. Tons of ammo. Not a gun. What the hell? Yeah, I'm sure this water is safe to drink. Very safe to drink. Let's make a little memorial service for our boys. No, I didn't mean to do that. I wanted to keep stacking it, but I guess you kind of can't. There you go. That's more than enough. I'm not willing to put in any more effort for some people I barely knew. Alright, well look, we got our axe now. Oh, yeah, we got our axe now. So now I am more than comfortable with making stuff. That should have hit you. I'm kind of disappointed it didn't. So, thoughts on base? I'm thinking somewhere different. I've already camped right up here, and that's not how birds work. But okay. This looks really open over here. If it's pretty enough, I might just settle down here. No, I'm not really a huge fan of the prefabs it gives me for the selections of like buildings. Yeah, small ag cabin, hut and shelter, lean-to. I mean, it's not good. Lookout tower, it looks ugly. Like, I wish they could refine it or something. Tree shelter I have yet to try. This one is just legit the same fucking upgraded one from the forest, I'm pretty sure. At least it looks like it. Tree shelter 2 looks like it has a little bit of diversity. Pretty average stuff though. Like round tables is new. Double bed's new, I think. Stone storage, I guess we haven't really had the stones before, so this is new. Spear rack, we have spears. Firewood storage is pretty cool, that's new. I mean, it's not like an addition, it's a new game in itself. But I like to think of it as the forest, but just with RTX. Oh. That's a nice little water hole. Please tell me this water is safe and I didn't drink this for no fucking reason. Well, it didn't kill me, but it didn't sound good either. It did refill my thirst meter, though. So as much as it's trying to play it off as a bad thing, I think it really helped. Because nothing went down from that. I mean, at least that was what I think. There's like 4 different meters down there. I'm not paying attention to them all. Oh. This is a lot bigger than I thought. Oh, hey there, naked guy. Hey, the other naked guy. Kelvin, why weren't you alerting me of the naked men rapidly chasing after me? You know what I'm thinking? Right here. I don't think these little fucking bastards can swim, or at least if they can, not very well. So, Section this off. This is my base now. I'm stealing this from the natives. It's land from the natives. That's definitely never happened before in U.S. history. But hey, look at this. It's actually pretty cool. Oh, wow. Wait, it's actually like a legit road. It's like one of the first actual like roads I've seen. I'm kind of disappointed it goes downward though, and not just like a big open lake. Yeah, you got the big open lake, but then you go. Fucking excuse me. Oh, that's ducks. I thought those were dudes running in the water. Like, how the hell can you keep up that momentum in the water? Huh. Oh. That is... Never mind, there's nothing good here. It's just for aesthetic. Let's listen to it. I'm glad it's not making me slip. I probably shouldn't investigate further, though. Look at all these rocks. I can make something cool out of this. Like, let's see. If I were to make a base... Oh, hold up. Maybe... let me cook. Let me cook. I'm thinking of something. Listen, Rome was not built in a day. Rome was not built in a day. Man. Oh, I just cut my only source of food. Okay. Never mind. Not my only, but one of them. Holy shit, I am just struggling. This faster? Yeah, faster, less stamina. Ooh, I just did it again, didn't I? I need this clear. I can't see shit. If the grass is taller than me, there's an issue. Hi, Calvin. I'm very glad that you're just my emotional support animal. Right here. No more like... No more has to be thought of. It's already been destined. Okay. Well, I guess I'm gonna make a little homeless shelter right at the edge. Right there. Perfect. Even gotta make my temporary shit look good. Fuck. Never mind. There. Can I put that, like... kind of want to, like... There. Make it look good. Less homeless-like, but more homeless-like. If that makes even the slightest bit of sense. Alright. Let's make some actual food while I work. And by that, I mean let's have Kelvin work. Why the hell would I do stuff if I can finally get a break? Get logs. And drop here. Smart man. Very, very smart man. Fuck me. I almost just like smacked him upside the head with a rock, and I almost made him bleed out the other ear. Never mind, he just showed me he's bleeding out both of them still. Very cooperative, very, very cooperative. Yeah, I like if that would get fixed though. That's kind of iffy. Alright though, as disappointing as it might be to kind of cut it off when I just said I'm starting to make the base, I'm gonna keep playing and recording, but cut them off for episodes in between, because I can guarantee with the amount of editing I'm doing, it's gonna be like at least a 4 gigabyte video, and I'm not about all of that. I would like to have some storage on my computer, but make sure I save right here. Nope. Yes. Yes. Alright. Alright, thank you guys all for watching, and please stick around for my part 2. Calvin, get back to work, you little bastard.